this video, we are looking at the alerts on the Hub. The notification icon in the top is showing 13 alerts. Clicking on it shows us 6 alerts for items to review and 6 alerts for late lessons, 1 for each student. The last alert is an expiring course. Let's look at each alert and what they mean. We will look at the late alerts first. The student has some late lessons according to the calendar. These alerts only show up when a lesson that was scheduled has been missed and is there to remind you and the student to stay on track. These alerts show up on the Hub as a blue bubble. Here on the notification icon, there is one for each student because they all have late lessons. On the dashboard for Noah, we can see these show up on the Lessons and Assignments widget here. Logging into Jonathan's profile on his calendar, we can see he has some late lessons in pre-cal and physics. These alerts will disappear once the student has caught up. Viewing Jonathan's calendar from the parent profile, we can see the same alerts. These alerts show up on both the student and parent profile. We have decided that we don't need to see these alerts. We can turn these off by going to the parent profile up here. Scroll down to the Learning Settings box under Show Alerts and turn off the late lesson alerts. Notice in the notification icons, these late alerts have disappeared. Going back to Jonathan's calendar, we can see the blue bubbles are now gone. Looking at Noah's dashboard, we can see they have been removed as well. The next alert in the notifications icon is the Ungraded Assignments alerts. The system is telling you, the parent, the student has completed some assignments that you need to review and send to the gradebook. These only show up on your profile and only when something has been completed by the student. Notice on the calendar the green bubble that says grade. They can also be seen as a bubble on the Assignments tab to the left. These alerts will disappear once you have reviewed all the completed assignments. However, they can be turned off from the parent profile. Going back to the parent profile under the Learning Settings box, we uncheck the Graded Assignments alerts. Control over the late lesson and ungraded assignment alert options are only available on the parent profile, and they apply to all students. Going back to the notification icon, we now see it is only showing the one expiring course alert. This alert serves as a great reminder to stay focused and on track so you can finish the course. This alert shows up 30 days prior to the expiration date of a course. These alerts do not show up on the student profile, and they can't be turned off by the parent. They will disappear after the course has expired or you have completed the course through the course overview. To learn more about this, watch the Complete a Course video.